We'll guide you through how to set up Streamlabs for Twitch. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and go to the Streamlabs website. Download and install Streamlabs Desktop. Once installed, launch the application. You'll be prompted to log in using your Twitch account. Click on the Twitch icon and authorize Streamlabs to access your account. After logging in, you'll see the Streamlabs interface. Go to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the lower left corner. In the Settings window, select the Stream tab. Here, make sure Twitch is selected as your streaming service. Now, let's set up your scenes and sources. On the main dashboard, you'll see a section called Scenes. Click the plus button to create a new scene. Name your scene something like Mainstream or Gameplay. With your scene selected, go to the Sources panel next to it. Click the plus button to add a source. For example, if you want to capture your game, choose Game Capture and select your game from the drop-down menu. If you want to add a webcam, choose Video Capture Device and select your webcam. Arrange your sources in the preview area to get the layout you want. Now let's talk about audio. Go back to the Settings menu and select the Audio tab. Make sure your microphone and desktop audio devices are selected correctly. You can also adjust the audio levels in the mixer panel on the main dashboard. Once your scenes and audio are set up, you're ready to start streaming. Click on the Go Live button in the lower right corner. A window will pop up where you can enter your stream title and game category. After filling in the details, hit Confirm and go live. You're now streaming on Twitch using Streamlabs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.